Hey y'all, how's it going? Another video for you. So today we're going to be using Glock 17. Got a Zev Omen slide on it, stock OEM barrel, Trijicon RMR Armo 6. So this is the pistol we'll be using, standard OEM magazine, and we got these here, these Hornady handgun Hunter, a 9mm, 115 grain plus P. It's their MONOFLEX, and evidently it's good for California because they got that little logo on there that says it's good for California. I don't know if you guys can see it. Fucking whatever, right? Anyway, muzzle velocity advertised 1100 feet per second. At 50 yards, 1,000 feet, 1,005, and 100 yards, 937. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fire 5 through the chronograph. It's gonna be 10 feet away, roughly 10 feet away from the chronograph, and 10 yards away from the target. Chronograph is roughly 7 yards from the target. So I'm gonna fire 5 through the chronograph, get the velocities and such, and then we're going to shoot 1. Hopefully we only need 1. Through the jugs here to capture it, and I'll be roughly about 10 feet from the first jug. So I'm gonna get loaded up here and get this party started. So just to show you what these look like real quick. There you go. And if you guys can see it, there are little serrations on the front edge up here, and there's little divots around the edge, which I'm rubbing my thumb right there. So without further ado, get these loaded up, get this party started. And by the way, if you haven't done so already, if you like these videos, get in there and click the thumbs up button. If you want to support the channel, whatever, subscribe, comment below. If you want to donate, I got a Patreon link that's always in the description below. And that's that. So let's get over here and see how she does. All right, so I got my 5 loaded up, as the round indicator on the mag shows. 10 feet from the chronograph, 10 yards from target. Let's see how she does. Kind of pulled that one a little bit. All right, we're clear. And you know what I didn't do? I gotta shoot 5 again because of the fact that I didn't have the chronograph plugged in my phone to record the velocities. So I'm gonna get my phone plugged in, get my head out of my tail, and do that all over again. So be right back. Alrighty folks, I got my head out of my tail, got 5 more loaded up, pasted up the targets down there, which wasn't really a great group because I pulled one off to the left and stuff like that. So anyway, 5 more loaded up, let's do it again. Ready, sir?
Yep.
All right, we're clear. Let's go check it out. All right, so here we are. So these paces here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there was one right up there that was 5. So my new group is, well, there was the old shot. So my new group is better. So it's still 1, 2, roughly 3 inches diameter. Yeah, recoil's not bad. I'll put measurements and all that other stuff at the end of the video. So yeah, let's move over to the water jug and see how to do over there. All right, so I got 1 loaded up, and we're about 10 feet. Let's see what she does, sir. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we got a little wet. Clear. Shut mag out. Keep one away from us. Let's go check it out. Alrighty, folks. But jug 1, that is where it went in. There's where it came out. And look at how much it tore this jug up. So that was jug 1. Right? Jug 2 went in down there at the bottom and come out right there. And there's nothing in the jug. Jug 3 went in here and ripped the big old hole, almost a big old hole in the back. There you go, big old hole right there in the back. And there's nothing in it. Jug 4. So you guys get a closer view. There you go, there's jug 4 right there. What's going on? Yeah. Pull this out here. Yeah. It wants to go all the way in. All right, so I had to poke it all the way in because it was almost all the way in. Let's see what she looks like. And there you have it, folks. I guess the gel or whatever that was in there that you could see in the first one, I'll show you in a little bit, but that's what was in the jug. And that's all she wrote right there. That was cool. So yeah, so it stopped in the 4th jug. But look at all these jugs from videos. So there you have it. 4th jug, stopped in it. Looks pretty cool though, right? Stuck around this long and you like the videos, make sure you like, subscribe, hit notifications button and be notified when new videos come out. Other than that, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. Stay strong out there, everybody.